What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and on this channel, we talk about cars, builds, road trips, and the gears that keep us moving. But today, I got something useful for every DIY car owner and road trip adventure, the MUCar BT200 Max. We're going to do a quick unboxing, walk through the features, and I'll give you my honest thoughts after testing it out. Alright, let's open this up. Inside the box, we have the MUCar BT200 Max OBD2 scanner, a user manual, and that's it. Simple and straight to the point. Well, my first impression, the scanner itself, it feels solid and well built. It doesn't feel cheap at all or flimsy. It's compact, very lightweight, and definitely something you can leave inside your glove box or toolkit without taking up so much space. Okay, so what does the MUCar BT200 Max actually do? Well, this is a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, which means it connects directly to your phone using the MUCar app. Some of its key features, it reads and clear check engine codes if you have that annoying check engine light on or some light on your dash. So it could actually reads and clear that codes for you. It provides real-time live data, supports all OBD2 compliant vehicles. It monitors things like RPM, coolant temp, battery voltage, and more. It works on iOS devices and also Android devices. What I really like is that it turns your phone into a full diagnostic tool without needing a bulky scanner, or that would actually save you a lot of money, especially if you're just trying to find out or fix the problem that you're having because that annoying check engine light is on. Okay, so now let's go ahead and set up the device. First things first, we're going to have to download the app. It's called the Dollar Fix app. That is actually what they are using for this product. So just go ahead and go to your App Store. If you are using an Apple device, just go to Apple App Store, or if you are using an Android device, just go to Google Play Store. So just look for the app. I already downloaded my app. I'm just going to show you how to set this up. So just follow the prompts after you open the app, and from there you are going to hit that bottom corner to log into your account. So if you don't have an account, you go ahead and create one. You're going to have you enter your email and also your password and username, and then from there you're going to verify it from your email, so that way you can log into the actual app. And then right after that, the next step would be activating the actual product, which is the MUCar BT200 Max. So you're gonna press my device, and then from there you're gonna have to press the activate device, and you can either scan the QR code, or like me, I am having trouble scanning this QR code, so I have to enter everything manually. So once you enter everything manually, just again follow the prompts, and then from there on it's gonna give you this window right here, congratulations. And then from there it's gonna let you download whatever vehicle that you're gonna work with. Do have a Toyota vehicle and also a Honda vehicle, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to download the app or the program that I have for the vehicle that I have, which is a Toyota and Honda. Now that we've downloaded the specific program for our vehicle, it is time to test it out. First thing that we have to do is turn on the vehicle, then plug in the actual device on your OBD2 port, and then from there on you have to open your app and then connect the device. So after you connected the device through the app, within seconds, you are able to scan your vehicle and see what's going on under the hood. The app layout is clean. It's really easy to understand. It's really a perfect for beginners or DIYers who don't want complicated menus. There's so many things that you can actually do with this tool. Like for this one example, on this menu, you can reset the maintenance slide on your vehicle, especially if you're doing oil changes and all that. You can scan the TPMS sensors, one of the few, like these ones right here. I pulled up some codes for smog check. It looks like everything is clear. So I haven't really played around with all of these yet. I'll probably do a follow-up video once I, explore all the options that I can do, like these ones right here. Oh, the good thing about these one too, you can also do a VIN scan where it would actually scan the VIN number automatically, and it would actually tell you what kind of vehicle you are working with. So it's one of the cool features that you can do with this tool. It's really endless, to be honest. So overall, this device is really easy to use. It is very, very compact and portable. The Bluetooth connects within a second, so it's really fast connection. And also the app, it's really a great app interface. It's really easy to navigate. And the biggest thing of all, it is really affordable compared to big scanners. So overall, the MUCar BT200 Max is a solid OBD2 scanner for everyday drivers. If you're a DIY guy, mechanic, and anyone who wants the quick vehicle diagnostic without spending a ton of money, this product is really for you. It's easy, reliable, and something I definitely recommend keeping in your car, especially if you're into road trips or maintaining your own rig. This product is for you. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions about the scanner. I will put the product link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.